Very good morning to all of you. So we are doing the chapter time and work. We have completed up to sum number 5. So now we are going to start sum number 6. See the statement carefully. A and B can do a job in 15 days. In 15 days they can complete the full job. If they are doing together for 6 days, if they are doing together for 6 days and after that he leaves, he leaves the job. Okay, if A can do the job in 15 days, only A can complete the job in 15 days. 15, not even is given, 50 days. If A can complete the job in 50 days, only A, how long will he take to complete the remaining job? Means remaining job he will complete in how many days then? A. I will start the sum. Solution. At first, A and B can do a job in 15 days. So you have to find for single day. A and B both together. Single day work. You can find 1 day work. It will be 1 by 50. Okay. After that it is given they both are doing together for 6 days. So we have to find for 6 days. A and B is 6 days work. A and B is 6 days work. Why we have to find? Because it is given only. They are doing together for 6 days. It will become 1 by 15 into 6. 3 to the 6, 3 5 are 15. So we got 2 by 5. After that, leaves. Who leaves? B. B leaves the job. So we have to find the remaining work now. Remaining work. Remaining work. How to find the remaining work? Up to here completed, 2 by 5 is completed. So 1 minus 2 by 5. From here it came 1 because the whole work is always 1. You know about it. The whole work is always 1. So with 1 we have to subtract 8. 2 by 5. It will become what? LCM. LCM is 5. 5 1 is 5. 2. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the remaining work. Now, what they are saying, how long will initial A take to complete the remaining work? So we will write A will complete the remaining work. Remaining work in how many days? How much is the remaining work? 3 by 5 into A can do the job in 15 days, so into 50. Answer is 30 days. So A can complete the remaining work in 30 days, and it is a very important question of the exercise. So now we are having sum number 8. See the statement carefully here. Sum is very simple. A and B, we are having two persons. They are working together and completes a job in 8 days. How long would A take to complete the job? One more situation is given, this one. A is faster than B. It is given in the statement. A is faster than B. How much? It is given. Two times faster than B. So we have to suppose in this sum that a B can complete the work in 2x days. We can suppose it 2x days. We can suppose it B can complete the work in 2x days. Then A will complete the same work in how many days? A can complete the work in how many days? Think about it. They are saying A is faster than B. How many times? 2 times. So A can complete the work in only X days. Keep in mind here A is faster, so he will complete in only X days. Afterwards, same way we have to solve. At first, you can find A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work. It will be 1 by X. Yes, A can complete the work in X days, so A's 1 day work will be 1 by X. Same way, B's 1 day work will be, B can complete the work in 2x days, so B's 1 day work will be 1 by 2x. Okay, what we have to find? They are doing together and completes a job in 8 days. Okay, so here also we can find together A and B. A and B's 1 day work will be how much? LCM of these two, 1 by X plus 1 by 2x. It will become how much? What we have to LCM of X and 2x? It is 2x only. 2x. Here only, which number is there? X. X is there. It is not there 2. So upside with 2 multiply 2. It is there on 2x. It is going on 1. So it will only come 1. It will become 2 and 1, 3 by 2x after solving. After that, what you will do? They are saying they are working together and completes the job in 8 days. So you will say according to question. According to question, they can complete the work in 8 days. Means at first now you can find here a single day's work. Can you find in this side A plus B's single day work, 1 day work will be how much? A and B can complete the work in 8 days. So A and B's 1 day work will be 1 by 8. Here also same thing, and here also we got the same thing. After that you can say according to the question, they both will be equal. 3 by 2x equals to 1 by 8. How to solve it? By doing cross multiply, as we have completed in the chapter equations and inequations. It will become 2x into 1, 2x, 8 into 3, 24. So the value of x will be 24 by 2, 12. But we have to find A can complete the job in how many days? So A can complete the work in X days. So we can say, so A can complete the work in 12 days. A can complete the work in 12 days. In the same way, you can complete the sums up to some number 9. Your homework is to do sum number 6, 7, 8 and 9. These sums you can solve. Remaining sums we will solve later. So you can complete up to sum number 9. Thank you so much for watching.